final look. So as you can see on my screen, this is the blank page. So start from here to final look. The paper box is here. So what you need, all the ingredients is here, and all the instruction would be on the papers, but is not available here. So and then the next look would be here, and then second look is here, and the final look of paper box is here. If you want to learn more about this paper box and make a unique gift for your children or your loved one, please visit our website www.twincrafttreasure.com, and you can book our workshop from there, or you can leave a message or send us an email. We will be returning your reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much. This is all for today. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.